Good morning.
Hi, everyone. Happy Facebook Live. Happy April Fool's Day.
Yeah, we have already been,
pranked.
Yeah.
Thanks, Cindy.
And Sophia. Sophia came up with it, my niece.
Yeah.
And my sister-in-law. They called up here today and said they found a lost dog.
Oh, my gosh. And they were just going to let it go.
Yeah, because they didn't want to take it anywhere during the crisis. Mm-hmm. So, thank you, Sophia.
She's a turkey. Gobble, gobble. That's what she told me. She goes, Crystal said I was a turkey. Yeah. It was funny. That was cute, though. It was a good prank, guys. Good prank. So, today is the very first day of our wellness plans launching. So that's exciting.
It's very exciting.
I can't wait. So we do think that this is something that's going to help a lot of people, especially right now. I feel like people are trying to save money where they can. So this is a good thing for a lot of those people, because then it makes the care for their pets a lot more manageable. Hi, Nancy. Hi, Jessica. So I think that'll be a really good thing. So check out our website. If you go to premierpetcarestl.com/service/wellness plans, you'll be able to find all the details there. There's a post on our Facebook about it as well, with the link. So if you need information of what all is included, there's a whole bunch of stuff that's included. So what all we have in there, Crystal?
Oh, you're going to put me on the spot.
Take it away.
So we've got different packages for different species. So we have canine and feline packages.
Yes.
I think for all of them they have the co-pays.
Yes.
Right? $24 co-pay exams.
Yeah, so that's a really nice thing. So your exam fees, if they're coming in for wellness, so they get 2 wellness exams per year, but even outside of that, if you have a pet that we have to see all the time because they have things like allergies or some kind of other long-term illness, that's something to keep in mind, is that that's a big potential for cost savings, as you get half-price exams, and that's unlimited. That's an unlimited number. So you could come in every week, every month. It doesn't matter. You get half-price every time.
You could come in once a day.
Once a day.
I mean,
we're pretty cool. We're pretty fun. But yeah, so that's a really cool side benefit to all of our plans. Include the unlimited co-pays. So if you have a sick pet, you can still sign up for the plan. You don't have to be worried about if your pet is due for vaccines or not due for vaccines. You can sign up now and still get that half-price exam. Mm-hmm. You will also get a percentage discount on any services and items that are not included in your plan. So again, say your pet comes in, they have an ear infection, and they're going to need medication. They're going to need ear cytology. Why are you laughing at me?
I don't know if you're nervous talking. You told me to tell about the plan.
I just can't, I'm just too excited, man. I'm too excited. But
I mean, I'm happy.
If they're coming in for something they're sick for, so you get the half-price exam fee, and then you get percentages off, depending on what level of plan you're on, percentages off the testing. The testing and the medication. This is why your husband says we're not professional.
I know. But, I mean, we don't need to be. This is just fun.
This is just for fun.
This is just who we are.
I mean, if this was meant to be serious, we would just film it ahead of time and do all the editing. This is just...
And not have the two of us in the same thing.
Not include both of us together at the very least.
Yeah.
But what else about the plans, Crystal? I'll try not to
Well, let's
talk.
see. So it covers all of their wellness vaccines. Mm-hmm. So if they're puppies and kittens, it covers all of the rounds of vaccines that they would need. Mm-hmm. Adults, it covers all of that for their yearly vaccines. Mm-hmm. 1-year rabies, 3-year rabies, either one is included in the adult plan.
Yep.
And then we're also including heartworm preventative.
Yeah.
Year for all of the plans.
For all of the plans. Puppies, kittens, adult cats, adult dogs, and you have options of what kind of preventatives you want to use as well. So if you want to do something like the ProHeart injection, that's included. If you would prefer to stick with something that's by mouth or topical, we can do that too. So yeah, so it's nice because it makes sure that your pets are covered for 12 months out of the year, which it is officially April, and it is Heartworm Awareness Month. So we'll be learning more about heartworms and why it's important to be on preventative 12 months out of the year. But yeah, so you get covered, and then you have your options of coverage as well, so it fits best for you and your pet.
Right.
Which I think is important.
It is. And the nice part about that is with the different options too, so you can either do the injectable here and know that they're covered.
Yep.
Or we're doing the easy dose it. That's what it's called.
It is. Yeah.
Okay. So it's our online pharmacy, and they will actually ship it directly to you once a month. So, which I really enjoy that, because then I don't have to remember when they're due for it. So they will ship that dose to your house, and then once it arrives, you just give it.
Yeah. And then you don't have to worry about reminders on your phone or your calendar, or, you know, on I don't know, whatever other reminder system you use. Hi, Linda. You don't have to worry about it. You just get it in the mail and you give it. Done. So that's really nice. And for people that are not on wellness plans, that's a good point too, is that our online pharmacy just launched. So we are able to get anyone set up on that. You can get your auto ships once a month, or you can get other medications, foods. There's a bunch of different like over-the-counter pet supplies, like toys and leashes and all kinds of stuff on that online pharmacy. So it's not just prescription items, but you can have it all shipped to your door, so you don't have to go out in all this madness we're dealing with right now, which is important. Yeah, so it can just be shipped directly to your door. So very convenient, very safe right now.
What's happening?
What? I don't know.
Everything just highlighted up there.
I don't know. You know we don't know how to technology. We're just lucky that this is on our clinic Facebook pages.
This time, yes.
You know, whatever. It's
Someone didn't pay attention last week.
Well, so we have to test it when we first set it up to make sure that, you know, everything's lined up right and that we're not like sitting too far apart.
We were doing this earlier.
We were trying to decide if we should wear our glasses or not. And the glasses get real glary.
Really glary. So for like the first 5 minutes, we were just putting our glasses on and then taking them back off.
Yes.
So that was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what we do. So we were testing it last week.
She can't really see much.
I can't see. That's my excuse from last week. So yeah. So we tested out and then we switched to the clinic page. In theory, that's what we're supposed to be doing. Switch to the clinic page and then actually go live. So that's, you know, the magic behind our Facebook Live. The magic, not magic.
Yeah,
it's not magical.
Sorry, I was reading the comments.
No, it's all good.
Seeing if there were any questions. Yeah. If anyone has questions, shoot them on over.
Yeah, let us know. Since we have our fancy new setup, we can actually see what you guys are saying and if people are here or not. So, yeah, we're getting real fancy up in here.
We are.
So what else? What else you got to say about those plans? Anything?
Oh, about the plans.
Yeah. Or just in general.
Well, some of them are including nail trims. Or did you change that? Are all of them including?
No, not all of them.
Okay. I couldn't remember. I know some of them are.
Yeah. Puppies, kittens, and adult cats.
Okay.
Not adult dogs, and the reason for that is there is unfortunately a large number of adult dogs that don't enjoy it. Do well. And so a lot of those guys, you know, they're better off being done either at home by like a mobile groomer or by yourself, or maybe they require sedation to come in and do that. And so then that kind of got a little complicated with, well, then do we include sedation in there? That starts getting difficult and raising the price. So also to keep things at a certain price point, yeah, we did not include nail trims on adult dog plans. But puppies, kittens, and adult cats get unlimited nail trims included in their plans.
That's still exciting, though.
Yeah, exactly. Plus, you know, as a puppy, you can get them used to it now, and then hopefully they don't become that dog that needs sedation every time they come in for their nail trims. Leah. My parents' dog. No, it's not their fault. It's just how she is. They got her as an adult, but she has to be full sedated every time she comes in for her nails. She's coming in tomorrow for that. So
yeah, and lately she needs quite a bit of sedation.
Yeah.
She's a big girl, though.
Yeah. She's a Great Dane.
Yeah.
So she's 100 pounds of not wanting her nails trimmed. So that's, yeah. So that's why we didn't include that on there. But
it's all because of you, Dad.
Good job, Dad. You're staying home, right? I called and yelled at them for that last week. So they must be staying home. You too, Nancy.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else? Anything else exciting about the plans? What else did we include? Lab work. So you get a yearly blood panel, fecal test, heartworm tests on adult dogs.
It's gonna take us a little bit to remember
vaccines.
everything.
Oh, they get this really cute. Oh, I wish we had a sample one. They get a really cute little pet ID card. There's actually two forms of it. One that looks like a driver's license sort of sized card, and then there's also like a key fob style one that you could either put on your key ring, or honestly I would just put it on my pet's collar, so it's just on them all the time. And it's got your pet's picture, name, I think phone number and address. It also has our contact information and contact information for an emergency hospital, on the off chance that you needed that in a hurry and didn't want to try to deal with Googling things. You can just pull out that card and call who's on there. So that's a really cool thing. Like I said, I wish we had a sample. Yeah. Maybe I'll order one. We'll have to order one and see, because they're cute.
They are cute.
They are really cute.
And every plan
includes one. Yep, and it can get updated every year. So you get one a year. So that's in there. Microchips are included in every plan. So if you have an adult animal that's not microchipped yet, you can go ahead and get that done. So that's cool.
Yeah. Well, and that's the nice part about the plans, because you were saying that you can auto enroll them every year, or renew their little card every year. So as long as they're staying on the plan, there's no re-enrollment fee.
Correct.
So as long as you just keep them on it. Now, if you take them off for a year and then put them back on, then there is another enrollment fee.
There is. So there is an enrollment fee in addition to the monthly fee, and that has to do with what it costs us to have the plans set up. Unfortunately, this is through an outside company, so they want us to pay them, so that's where that comes from. I know. And then also, though, there is a multi-pet discount. So if you sign up multiple pets, you can get $20 off of each enrollment fee for each of your pets. So that helps save a little bit too, which is cool for those guys that have multiples, like both of us, that have too many animals.
No kidding.
It's fine. It's fine. I have 5 animals. It's cool. So there's that, and fecals, deworming. I think that's everything.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think if there's anything else cool. Obviously, puppies and kittens, if they need to be spayed or neutered. So there's a plan without the spay and neuter. So if you adopted a pet from a shelter, which we are always a huge fan of, and you don't need that done, great, you can do the lower plan. Doesn't include that, but includes pretty much everything else. Or the higher plan if you found a stray cat and you needed them spayed or neutered. You could do the higher plan, and then that's all included in there.
Yeah.
And that's their spay or neuter, their pain meds, their e-collar, pre-surgical blood work. It's everything is in there.
And you can sign them up for these plans at any time.
Yeah.
So you don't have to be here in the clinic.
Nope.
You can give us a call. Call us today. Be one of the first ones.
Call now! Like an infomercial.
This is where we just both be like,
hey! That's our thumbnail for this video. Oh, gosh.
But yeah, you don't have to be here. Just give us a call. We can get you signed up over the phone.
Mm-hmm.
And then, God forbid something happens, you need to come in tomorrow. You've got your $24 copay exam.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, because there have been a lot of allergy dogs this year.
That time of year. Yeah.
I feel like it's been worse, though.
You think so?
The last couple years have been bad, and I keep saying that, but I feel like this year has been really bad already. Like, there's been a lot of ear infections and skin dogs, itchy.
Yeah. Everything. It's everything.
Yeah. I know my allergies have been crazy.
Mine too. Yeah, I've been stuffy nose and everything. I'm like, I promise I don't have COVID.
Hi, Cindy.
Hi, Cindy.
You'll have to go to the beginning of the video. We talked about you and Sophia pranking us today.
Oh, goodness. So what else? What else is going on?
Well, today is, National Poop Scoop Day?
Pooper Scooper Day?
Yeah.
So, you know.
So shout out to Crystal Chandler.
Crystal Chandler.
One of our friends in Texas.
Yes.
She is a pooper scooper.
Thank you for all you do.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a big need.
I mean, I can't afford it.
I can't afford it either. But it's I wish I could. I do. That would be glorious. Oh, man.
I mean, I have a dog that likes to help us clean up the yard. So, I mean, it's gross.
I know. One of my previous dogs, Ducky, he was a good pooper scooper. So gross.
It is
but
gross.
You couldn't stop. You know, you can't stop them.
No.
There's only so much you can do, and especially when you do have multiples. It's not like you can be running around after every single one of your dogs every time they go outside. That's just the reality.
Yeah,
it's
not
gross.
gonna happen.
But
you just know not to let them kiss you.
Exactly.
Like, there's just one at my house. I'm like, don't kiss me.
Nope. Yeah, don't let Lana give you kisses. Nope.
Yeah.
This is another one of those unprofessional conversations that your husband's offended by.
I mean, he's probably one of the two that's still watching.
It could be. It could be.
So if you're out there, husband, hi.
Hi, Josie.
So what's up with you?
Nothing. Just staying home.
Yeah.
Doing my thing. Cleaning my house a lot.
I'm terrible
All the
at the
dog
staying
hair.
home thing.
I know. It's hard. It is hard.
Especially like when you tell me I can't do something.
Yeah.
I'm not good
That's
at that.
the worst.
It is.
Yeah. It's one thing if it's your choice to stay at home and watch Netflix all day, but when you have to do that, it's not so fun.
He doesn't think that having a cup in the video is professional.
Sorry. Gotta have my coffee.
Oh man, I think we've been quarantined for sure.
All right. Well, I don't have anything else. So if you don't have anything else, I think that wraps it up for today. If you want more information, again, on what all our wellness plans are including, it's on the website, and there will be a post. I think it should post a couple hours ago anyway, on Facebook about that with the links to everything. And then if you have questions, give us a call. But everybody, have a great day. We'll see you next week.
Bye.